So, what do you think about my Thanos? I'm actually very happy with this. Not extremely happy because, once again, a few mistakes which you learn as you go along. So, first of all, I want to explain the kind of process that I went to in doing this. The surface primer. So, you saw me take first a very light surface primer and then go on to the black surface primer. And the reason why I used the black is because I wanted to have that contrast when sanding. So, if you put like thick coats of black primer onto a white plastic, when you start sanding, you can see where the layers still protrude. And the idea is to start filling those gaps with primer paint. So the more you sand, the more you respray, the smoother it becomes. Unfortunately, a lot of this model in particular has a lot of tight nooks and crannies, which is very difficult to get your sandpaper in there. So it wasn't the best result, but it's a result I'm fairly happy with at the moment. I have a larger scale version of this already printed, so I will be doing that as well. Second is, well, Thanos's skin color. It's hard to gauge the right color because there's been so many versions of Thanos throughout the years that getting the right color is not that easy, and I'm sure some people will prefer like the lighter pinkish version that was shown in the Avengers Infinity War. Some might prefer the comic version. I went with, well, kind of like a mix of all. So I think it turned out really great. The gold really turned out beautiful. This is the Vallejo game set Air. This is the gold. And for the bust, I use this chrome base, like a proper chrome base, and then I use like gunmetal to do shading for it, just to give it a more kind of like a dirty look and like not too clean. All in all, I'm very happy with this. I'm very happy. The model, the design of this bust is absolutely beautiful. So well done to David Ostman, I think his name is. I will leave links in the video description. He has many more busts which I'm planning to do. So next one will probably be the Deadpool bust. I think it looks awesome, and I'm really looking forward to it. As to how big I'm going to paint it, I have absolutely no idea. But this I'm happy with. So there you have it, another Sunday print and paint done and dusted. I think that's what I'm going to call this, Sunday print and paint. The reason why I do this on Sunday is because Sunday is the only time I actually have like 4 or 5 hours completely to myself where I can sit down and actually do something like this and take my time and relax. So expect more. I'm enjoying this. This is something that like takes me to a completely different world in my mind. I can relax and then I can talk to you guys about it, and hopefully I always have something to show for which looks, well, hopefully as good as this, or hopefully more. That is it for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below. I will leave links to everything in the video description. If you like this video, just press like. Also, make sure to click the bell for notifications because for some reason people are not getting notified of my videos, which is YouTube. Share, subscribe, and as always, happy painting, guys.